Hey, what's up, guys? It's Brian, and this is Lopez. And today we got a different type of video. Look at Nathan's skateboard. What is it, Nathan?
Yeah.
Let me see, Nolan. You have a skateboard too. Ooh. So these kids right now, they love all the skateboarding stuff. So we got a room remodel done. We got a new bed right here. We got bunk beds. Up and down. We got a basketball court right there. We got something new over there for their toys to be put away nice and neat. So in today's video, we're gonna do something crazy. Hey, back up. We're gonna play with the Hot Wheels and we're gonna build a crazy ramp. Nolan already got started with a little part right here. So these ones that we have right here, these black ones, I ordered them on eBay. They're 3D printed. It just goes connect to the ramp so the cars could make like a quick turn. If you guys like these type of videos, please make sure you guys drop a like and a comment because it helps us with the algorithm of YouTube, you know.
Hi.
So we could be everywhere. We could do one coming from the top like this. We put one turn.
If we don't draw this to the trash.
No, just leave it there right now. We're using this one right. This is the first ramp that we got up right here. Well, that I got up because these guys didn't want to help me. They just got their stuff. Let me see what kind of cars you got, Nathan. Who's this? McQueen. What other car do you have? You just have one? That one doesn't fit there, dude. It's too big. Whoa. Nolan, let me see what kind of cars you got to race.
Yellow.
You got a yellow Porsche. Let me see. Yellow Porsche.
And a red.
And a red car. I don't know what kind of car this is.
And a Lamborghini.
Ooh, a green Lamborghini.
And a white car.
And a white car. I don't know what kind of car this is. This is like a spaceship. So as you guys can see, I got pillows to support this. And I got the mattress. Ready, set. Oh, he spinned out. Let me try. Let's see what the car does. Ooh, mine did it. Try with your Lamborghini. Let's see what it does. Whoa, it went all the way around. Ooh, Nathan's next. Whoa, Mr. McQueen went so fast. Let's see, try this ramp right here. See how this one works. Ready, set. Ooh, Nathan's turn with his McQueen. Whoa, Mr. McQueen went fast. Oh, he flipped, dude. Oh, he crashed. Ooh, McQueen flew through there. You saw that? Nolan, let me see. What new car did you get? Oh, he got the old school and he got a big truck. Go, Nolan. Oh, the truck crashed. Why you throw him off the cliff, dude? Ooh, that one went super fast. Let me see. Nathan got a new car. Let me see what car you got. The red one. You gonna do this one next?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it goes. Whoa, that guy was fast, dude. Now we got another car right here. What is this? The Minion? Oh, look like a spaceship. Look at this. Let's see how it makes it. Go. Oh my God, you threw him off the ramp. Let me see the new one you got. Nolan, check out this cool McQueen for the snow. Nathan's gonna show his new Brian car. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Look at this one. Whose car is this, Nathan? Brian? Yeah, this one's fast. Let's see how this one does it. Let me see. Nathan, what up? Go. Oh, that one sounds so smooth because he has rubber tires.
Another one.
Let me see. These are the ones from Lightning McQueen. Ooh, you got the yellow Lightning McQueen. Look at this one. It's nice.
Yeah.
This one glows in the dark because of the yellow tires. Brian car. That's his favorite car right now. Mister, what are you doing? Hey, he's attacking me. Someone get him. Ah. Nolan found two more Lightning McQueen cars that we have right here. Mater and the yellow one. And then we got another Mater right here. This is the Christmas version. What happened? Next time wants me to record him dancing. Let me see how you dance. Go, you gonna dance? Why are you mad, baby? Now we're gonna take this level a little bit higher to up here. Oh.
Wasn't that funny?
This is what the new ramp is looking like. Let me see. It's probably like a 6 feet drop right here. It's gonna go all the way down. It's gonna make a turn that way. See if it makes it, and go on top of the bed and go to sleep.
Oh.
Ready? Nolan's gonna go first. He's gonna do the 6 feet ramp first. Ready? Sit. Next set. Oh my god. Nathan's turn. Are you ready? Oh, he made it. Wow, good job, Nathan. Yeah. Oh, let's try again. Let's try again. Second try. Oh.
Always don't make it.
How about Nolan tries another car? Let's try the Lamborghini. Go. Whoa! One more time. Ready? Go. Oh, he did it. Nathan is gonna try the yellow Porsche. Shout out to the volunteer today. She's helping out. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was fast, Nathan. Sheesh. Ready, set, go. Oh, he crashed. Oh, good job, dude. Let me give Nathan the low rider. This one's fast right here. Wait. Don't try this at home. We got staff here for emergency. Ready, set, go. Oh, good job for the last try for Nathan. So this is gonna be the last ramp that we build right here. It goes from up there, down through the garbage truck, in through the garbage truck, and then it goes all the way around. All right, so this didn't hold up well right here. It'll have no support. I'm just gonna have to hold it. Ready? Go. Here it comes. Oh, he crashed. Oh, he made it with Lightning McQueen. High five. I got the camera, dude. Oh my god. That stick is to hold the door open. Whoa. Ooh.
It made it a little bit. I'm trying this time. Nathan's fire!
Nathan, be careful. He's coming. Coming in hot. Oh. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, he won. Let's see, Nathan. No, higher, Nathan. Go higher. Higher. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, he made it, Nathan. Good job. Got this stitch one that's fast. Whoa. He almost made it. He's gonna push it. Oh, he didn't push it. Look at him carrying all his cars. Let me see your cars, dude. Oh. Oh, he crashed that one.
Let me see. Show me your bear.
Oh, his bear. So that wraps up the video for today. That was our extreme ramps right there. Hot Wheels, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys drop a comment and a like and subscribe, and yeah, bye. Before we go, Nolan wants to show you guys a flip. Ooh. And Nathan wants to show you guys his flips. Ooh.